Welcome to Defining Data Science Lesson Summary. In this video, we'll review important points you learned from the videos and readings in this lesson. We'll also link together the ideas from the resources in this lesson. We will quickly recap what data science is, data scientists' role in an organization, what makes a skilled data scientist, and expert advice on how to acquire these skills. Let's begin. So, what really is data science? Simply put, data science is the study of data. Data science uses data to understand the world around us. Some consider data science an art of uncovering the insights and trends hiding behind data. Data analysis isn't new. Recent data access and enhanced computing power drives new insights and knowledge through analysis. We also have the computing power needed to analyze this data to reveal new knowledge. With the power of computers, we can dig through this information to reveal valuable insights, just like a detective uncovering secrets. Data scientists translate the data into stories to generate insights. These insights aid strategic decision-making for companies or institutions. Similar to biological or physical sciences, data science deals with structured and unstructured data. The process of gleaning insights from data includes clarifying the problem, data collection, analysis, pattern recognition, storytelling, and visualization. According to Professor Murtaza Haider from the Ted Rogers School of Management, curiosity, argumentation, and judgment are vital for data scientists. Curiosity helps you explore data and come up with meaningful questions. Good, sound, reasonable arguments help you explain your findings after learning from the data, compelling the listener to adjust their ideas based on the new information. Good judgment guides you to start in the right direction. Skilled data scientists go beyond just being statisticians or computer experts. Companies are looking for versatile individuals who know a lot about a particular subject, have some experience in programming and analyzing data, and can communicate well. Generally, data scientists are comfortable with math. They're curious. They're good at telling stories. Their backgrounds can come from various fields like economics, engineering, medicine, and more. Once you understand your strengths and interests, focus on mastering data analysis in that field and select suitable tools for your industry. As you become proficient, apply your expertise to solve real-world issues using data similar to solving mysteries by deciphering clues. So, what does the future look like for you as a skilled data scientist? Data scientist jobs will also change as technology changes and data roles develop. To ensure their employees are qualified, companies will require certification. Data scientists will always need to think logically, use algorithms, and follow a methodical approach. Most importantly, they must gather data correctly and carefully analyze the models being used, all aiming to achieve successful business results.